everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the haul. Surprise, surprise! And this is a haul, some of it really recent, like within the last week. Others, what I've had over several months, because I have not done a haul in a long time. I have been watching what I have been spending, and I am so proud of myself. Yes, I am proud of myself. But this is probably over the course of 5 months, maybe. And so this is like all I have. Well, I can't say it's all I have. Some things I've put away already. So, but anyways, I thought I would share. Just this past week, I got, this is the week of Christmas. So I got this from W Plus 9, and it has enamel dots. I actually ordered 4. Mind you, these were 63 cents a piece. Normally like $2 or something like that. She sent me 10 each. I was so excited. And then this one was the same way. 10 each. I love them, and I thought I'm going to make some cards these colors so that I can use these enamel dots. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, W Plus 9. And I also purchased this. I think I seen this on Gail's channel that they were having a sale. I'm not definite whose channel it was, or actually they're going out of business, or she's closing her shop. And I thought I would swing by and just see what they had. And this was a good price too. I forgot what it was, but yeah, I purchased that as well as this. I really like these, and these are photo Palmer stamps. And then Erin Lee Creative. And I'm not sure whose channel that I seen that they were having a sale. And I thought I would run over there and see, and yes, she was. And I think I'm going to go back because the price of these hot foil plates that she has, I want to say it's like $6. So I was so happy to get this for $6. I had been wanting the flat plate like this. And then she also had this die. And this orders like, I mean, this measures like 4 by 5 or something like that. Really nice size, and I thought it was really cute. And I want to say that may have been $4. Not definite, but very good prices. And then these are over the course of several months. So from Alta New, I picked up this and this. Didn't realize how small they were going to be, but they're still cute nevertheless. My favorite things, they had these on clearance, and so I picked up the layering part that goes with that. And it's Blessed and Blessing, or Blessed and Blessing. And then from Queen of Craft. Normally I don't usually ever order from Queen of Craft, never, but they had this set for $12, and you get 20 in the set, and it is very small, but it packs a punch. It's very small. I mean, very small. But I did put some pieces together. Let me kind of show you a little bit. Maybe you can see. They're really cute. Look at that. I put those together. And then that's the trimmer. Just really cute though. All right. And then that set also came with a set of stamps. Not sure if you can see that, but came with that set of stamps. All right. And then from one of the Spellbinder sales, they have a sale just about every couple of weeks or so. I picked these up. And yes, I've been using those. Have not used this yet, but I was glad to get that for $1. And I want to say this was $1 too. I don't remember what the price of this was, maybe $3 or $4. But I got that. This was maybe a month ago. I just picked up this, and I got that for $5. And yes, I've been foiling, as you can tell. Yeah, went to work on the on the plate itself, and I just got that when I got the other one. But I really like this. And then this was another set that I picked up. This is Mini Everyday Sentiments. I really like that one too. Picked up this one. Love this one. My most used set so far. And then from Concord and 9th, these were $5 plates when I picked up these. So that was really nice. And I picked up this one. And this one, I just got a chance to use this one this past week. And then this from My Creative Time. All right, and so that is all I have for you. That's kind of wraps it up within the last 5 months. So I did really good if you see how much stuff I bought over the last 5 months. I've gotten just a little bit more that I didn't show, but not much. So I'm so proud of myself. I've finally got a hold of my spending, and I've told myself I don't need everything. I don't need everything, and that's been working for me. So I take the time, think it over, ask myself, is this a one and done thing, or am I going to actually use it? And so that's how I've been helping myself out. But that's all I have. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.